You'd think with the amount of hauls I do, I'd be wearing something different than I was in my last video, but... Okay, I'm gonna try and do this quick because my camera is like, the battery's on the red, but I feel like doing it now because I already have a face on, so... I just have a quick haul of things I've gotten since Christmas, so I figured I'd show you. So we'll start with Wet Seal. This is, I got this shirt in purple and I hauled it about a month ago. It looks really good on, and this is the one with the lace up here and the big cutout in the back. Wet Seal is like filing for bankruptcy, so this was $8 and I got it on a day with free shipping, no minimum, which is what I'm all about. So $8 shirt, which is like amazing. Alright, the next things are from Boohoo.com, which is like a UK site. I've been eyeing this dress for a while, and I was like, I don't really want to spend that much money, but then I noticed Boohoo was having a sale, and this was on sale. So I got this white midi dress with a floral bottom. I really like the floral part they did. Not the biggest fan of when dresses make that like line for the boob, because my boob is probably somewhere like down here. So I'll figure it out. I'm not the biggest fan of midi dresses because I just think they look weird on me. I like showing off legs, so I think I might just get this hem because, one, I've had an issue returning with Boohoo, and two, I really, really like how it looks, so I feel like I might just hem it. This next thing is a like fake leather skirt. I thought it was a skirt, but whatever. And it has the asymmetrical bottom, envelope type of cut, which I really like. I can totally see me wearing this with like a bodysuit, and I think that will just look really cute. And this doesn't look as bunched up when it's on because I'm fat as hell, but it's nice and flat and doesn't look like you're wearing like gym shorts. Alright, the next thing, you know how it's like the best time to buy Valentine's candy after Valentine's Day? It is currently the best time to buy Christmas sweaters. I picked this up for $10 from Boohoo. And this is a large, so it's a little snug on me, so I'm gonna give it to my sister. But me, my brother, and my sister, we love saying holla. Like, it's our thing. And we've always said happy holidays. And so when I saw this, I was like, we need to get that. So it's happy holidays. And yeah, so I gave this to my sister already, but I'm just gonna hold on to it. But yeah, $10 sweater. Go pick up some Christmas sweaters. Alright, the last two things, I always see advertisements for sites like this, and you don't really know if you can trust them. I know there's been this thing floating around online of that girl, she bought a dress from one of those like wholesaler sites, and it was like really pretty in the picture, and then it's on her, and it has like 90,000 retweets, like it's crazy. So I tried Sheinside.com, and I was wondering like how it would work, because a lot of this stuff is one size fits all, and I am plus size, so I was wondering like how that would work out for girls my size and bigger. So I got a sweater, and it looked like kind of slouchy on the girls. You can upload pictures of you wearing it, so it looked a little slouchy on the girls who are wearing it. So I was like, okay, it might fit me. And it does fit. It's probably like, it hits right at my waistline, and I like sweaters to be big. So that was good because I usually wear a cami anyways. My issue with this sweater was, if you notice, there's a chain on this side, there's no chain on this side. There's studs on this side. There's like 2 rows of studs missing on this side. They're literally like all over my floor. The chain is in a jewelry box. So it's just like falling apart at the seams, literally. But like pretty good material. It's just very cheaply made. I think it was probably $8 for this sweater, and it shows. I thought this was really cute. It's a Barbie logo. I was like, that's kind of cute. So it says California Dream Barbie, and it's just a pink pullover sweater. And this actually fits pretty well, and this is like, the logo is on pretty well. I thought it'd be like one of those gross, like Jersey Shore iron-on kind of things when you get like a t-shirt made at the shore. But this is very well screen printed on, so no issues with this sweater. I think it's really cute. I would say for Sheinside to just use your judgment and only go for the things that have the buyer reviews, you know? Because a lot of the things, they had like the model picture, but then the picture, when you order it, was completely different. So just be really careful when you're ordering. And as far as the sizing goes, those 2 sweaters are one size fits all. I'm about a 14, and my boobs are like a 38D, so I fit into that. So, and it's it fits. I wouldn't say I have like, it's not loose like this sweater, and it hits probably right at my waist. So if you like your sweaters long, you have to take that into account. But yeah, sites like that, I would just say use your judgment. And you get what you pay for. You know, those were, I think I paid $16 total for those 2 sweaters. So yeah, that was just a quick haul. Thank you for watching. I have more videos coming. I wish I could say something funny right now, but bye!